Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about how to swap the sheet dynamically using parameters in Tableau. So if I select line chart, then we can able to see only line chart, and bar chart, area chart will be collapsed. So if I select bar chart, then we can able to see only bar chart, and line chart, area chart will be collapsed. So similarly if I select all, then we can see all the charts in dashboard. So here I have created three charts: line chart, bar chart and area chart, and I have created a parameter choose sheet. So from here you can select the sheets that you want to display. So if I select line chart, you can't see anything from this sheet area chart. So if I select area chart, then you can able to see area chart. So to achieve this, I have created a calculated field and name it as sheet view. So here I have item names that are going to display only for this sheet. So let me explain you from scratch. So to achieve this, first I will create three simple views. So first I will drag order date in column shelf, and I will make it continuous and choose this month. Then I will drag sales in row shelf. Then I will rename this sheet as line chart. Then I will create one more view for bar chart. So I will drag order date in column shelf and sales in rows. Then I will select bar chart. So I will rename this sheet as bar chart. Okay, click on the new sheet and similarly drag order date in column shelf. For the area sheet I will make it continuous and I will select month, and I will drag the sales into row shelf. So I will make this to area chart. So we have line chart, bar chart and area chart. Next we need to create a parameter to select the sheets dynamically. So click on this create parameter. Then I will name this parameter as choose sheet type. Then data type as a string, and from allowable values click on this list, and I will give the list as all, line, bar and area. Okay, so click on this drop down and click on show parameter. This is the parameter which we have created. So we can select the sheets from this drop down. So let me rename this sheet as area chart, and then to display the particular sheet when the user selected from this parameter, I need to write a calculation. So click on this drop down and click on create calculated field, and I will name it as sheet view and type the parameter name that we have created, choose sheet type. Choose sheet type. Okay, so click on OK, and click on the sheet that you are going to add to the dashboard. First I will click on this line chart and I will keep this calculated field sheet view in filter shelf. Then I will click on this custom value list. In this text box, enter all, type all, and then click on this add item and type line, and then click on this add item. So for this line chart sheet, I have added these two items in the filter shelf, in the filter dialog box. Then click on OK. So similarly for bar chart also, drag this sheet view in filter shelf and then click on custom value list. In this text box, type all, then click on add item. So for displaying the bar chart, I will type bar, then click on this add item, then click on OK. And similarly for area chart also, drag this calculated field sheet view into filter shelf and choose this custom value list. In the text box, type all, then click on add item and then area. Click on add item, then click on OK. So calculated field that I have added to the three sheets, line chart, bar chart and area chart is same, which is a sheet view, but items that I have added to different charts are different. So I have added only all and area in this area chart. So this area chart will display only when if I select all or area from the parameter. Okay, so for similarly for the bar chart, items are different. When I select only all and bar, then this bar chart will be displayed. So for line chart also, when I select all or line, then this line chart will be displayed. Okay, click on new dashboard, then drag this vertical container from the objects into dashboard, then drag these three sheets into dashboard. Okay, so from this parameter, if I select line chart, then you can able to see only line chart and bar chart, area chart will be collapsed. So if I select area chart, then you can able to see only area chart and line and bar charts are collapsed. So similarly, if I select all, then we can able to see all the charts. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.